Have you ever wondered how a rifle like the AK-47 keeps firing round after round without stopping? The answer lies in a simple but incredibly powerful mechanical cycle. The process begins when the magazine is inserted into the rifle. It locks firmly into place, holding multiple cartridges under spring pressure, ready to be fed one by one. Next, the charging handle is pulled back and released. This action pulls the bolt carrier rearward and then forward again, stripping the first round from the magazine into the chamber. The safety selector is then switched to the fire position. This allows the trigger mechanism to engage, preparing the rifle for operation. When the trigger is pulled, it releases the hammer inside the rifle. This hammer moves forward rapidly under spring tension. The hammer strikes the firing pin, which in turn hits the primer at the base of the cartridge. This small impact is enough to ignite the entire process. The primer ignites the gunpowder inside the cartridge. As the powder burns, it creates high-pressure gas that forces the bullet forward through the barrel at high speed. But here's where it gets interesting. A portion of that gas is redirected through a small port into a gas tube above the barrel. That gas pushes a piston backward, which drives the bolt carrier with it. This movement is what powers the entire automatic cycle of the rifle. As the bolt carrier moves back, the rotating bolt unlocks from the chamber. This ensures the rifle can safely release the spent casing. The empty casing is then extracted and forcefully ejected out of the rifle. This clears the chamber instantly for the next round. The recoil spring now pushes the bolt carrier forward again, resetting the system for the next shot. As the bolt moves forward, it picks up a fresh round from the magazine and chambers it smoothly. And just like that, the rifle is ready to fire again. This entire cycle happens in a fraction of a second. What makes this system truly special is its simplicity and tolerance. Even in mud, dust, or extreme conditions, it keeps working. And that is why the AK-47 became one of the most reliable rifles ever designed.